Alright everyone, welcome back to the part 3 of this video, and in this video we're going to be looking at how to control the crystals. Now in the last video we checked on how to move our sprite, and let me show you what we did. After the introduction, we click on start and then we start the game. So we have written the code for the sprites, the cat sprite. As you can see, this is how we've programmed the cat sprite to move. Now it's time for us to program our sprite, our crystal sprite, to move in a random position, and that is way easy. Now, how do we do that? So now let's get started. So to do that, you click on your crystal sprite, and then you say what? When I receive start game. So when I receive start game, I want my crystal to keep moving at a random position. That's all. So how do I do that? So you go to events, go to control, and then you select what? Forever loop. After selecting forever loop, you go to motion, and then select what? Go to random position. This will do justice to that. Now let's check that out. Let's make it big. Let's click on start, and then let's go. Now it's moving like that. So the game is going to be really hard like that. So we need to tell it, we need to time it. Alright, so to time it, you go to control and then say what? After changing position, wait for 5 seconds at least, so that the user can actually move the cat to get the crystal in 5 seconds. Now let's check that out now. Let's make it bigger. Click on the flag, click on start. So it stays there, 5 seconds. And I'm trying to move if I will get there. See? Then change again. If I get there, it's move in 5 seconds and then change like that. This is still good enough, right? So if you want to make it a bit tougher, you can reduce it to 4 seconds. It depends on how you want your game to be. But I will leave it as 5 because 5 is still fair. Alright, so that's it. Moving in. Let's check it out now. Give 4 seconds. Now it's 4 seconds. Okay. I get there before 4 seconds. Alright. 4 seconds. Alright, like I said, it has to be based on what you want. So this is how to control the crystal to move in a random position. That is all we're going to do for this video. In the next video, we're going to be looking at how to score. Now, what happens when... Now, check this out. What happens when the sprite touches the... Oops. What happens when the sprite touches the crystal in 4 minutes? It should be 1 point, like that. And then when the cat touches the crystal, it should change position regardless of the time. So that's another code that we're going to write in the next video. I want you to stay tuned. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Turn on the bell notification. Like the comment in the comment section below, and tell your friends about this lovely channel. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoy this. And please, if you have questions, let me know. I'll answer every of the questions. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.